Hey, you want to learn how to make money online using Cash App? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're gonna talk about making money with good old Cash App. If you're not familiar with Cash App, I don't know where you've been, but it's a payment form. It's a little app that people use to actually send people money back and forth. You can actually pay for different services, goods and services using your Cash App right now. Extremely popular. And in this video, I want to share with you how you can actually profit from that, make some money. First of all, the first way you can make money with Cash App is just by signing up with it and referring people to actually the app. If you're not doing that, you're definitely missing out. You're definitely missing out on some money. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's super simple to do, and I believe they still got it where you might get $5 if you sign up to Cash App. I'm not sure. They weren't running a promotion, but that's the first and the easiest way to get started with that. Sign up for it, start using it, and I don't know if you get that with that. Maybe that's Acorns. I don't know, but sign up with it, guys. Super easy. It's free to join, and then start using it. Like whenever you pay for stuff, like if you're buying something from somebody or you need to send somebody money, you can use Cash App. Like when it's time to pay the bills, my girl be like, where your bill money at? Where the cable bill? Where the electric bill? What's up? And I just Cash App her the money. Be like, boom, there you go. Handle that. Go handle that. Right. So Cash App is um, very easy to use and it's getting very popular. But here's the main way you can use Cash App to make some real money if you grind. Okay, I talked about this before, guys. It's a program that I got out there um, that I talked about several times called the Automated Cash App System. Guys, when it comes to making money online, easy money online, you gotta check this out, guys. It's from this guy named Bones Jones. I forget his first name, but um, Bones Jones Rodriguez. That's his name. But he came up with this system, very simple, and it shows you how to earn $27, how to get $27 commissions earned instantly to your Cash App, and this is unlimited. You can earn as many $27 commissions as your little heart desires, as much work as you're willing to put in. That's how much you can get. $27 over and over again. You can get this, um, and it's a super simple system. What the system is, okay, when you get it, first and foremost, you're actually buying the resale rights to the system. So yes, you do pay a one-time $27 fee. That's it. Once you pay that, you actually are buying a reseller's license that will allow you to go out and promote this for as long as you want and earn 100% $27 commissions from Cash App sent to your Cash App from people who get the system. So you might be thinking, oh, this sounds like some BS. What you mean? Well, what is the system? Is people just sending me $27 for nothing? No, you actually are having the resale rights to a real system that will teach the people that buy it how to promote the system and earn $27 commissions. It teaches you how to promote on Facebook and other platforms. It really just teaches you how to make more money get sent to your Cash App. Um, it's just easy. I can't explain it. Like a lot of people, they get the system, and I've made well over $200 easy money just from this system. And inside the system, guys, not only will you be able to make $27 commissions, it shows you inside how to make that money back times 20, right? When you get this system, you'll see inside exactly how you can turn that $27 into a lot more. You just got to follow the steps once you get the system. Like, that's the one thing that people mess up on all the time. People ask me like, well, how much money did you make? How much, how long will it take me to make this amount of money? The truth is, it's really up to you. I'm sitting here on my channel telling you with all of my confidence, if you get automated Cash App system and you follow the steps that are laid out, very like elementary, like, you know what I'm saying? They walk you through this is what you need to do. Very easy. If you do that and you on that grind mode, you will earn definitely your money back. Definitely $27. And if you really put an effort in, you'll make a lot more than that. I'm making money from this, doing it not even part time, because this is like just money that just comes in. I got motivated to do this video because at 7:50 in the morning, I think it was like 7:50 in the morning last night, bang, I got this $27 just came in when I was asleep. Everybody always talk about how to make money in your sleep, how to make money while you sleep. This is the way that you can do it, because when you promote this program, keep in mind, people are seeing your ads, or people are seeing your comments and everything while you're out to eat, while you're on vacation. Oh, then you got blurry. While you're sleeping, you can be earning 100% commissions, guys. And wait till you get inside the program and you see the earning potential, right? So this is how you can make money online with Cash App. This is how to do it. Get Cash App. If you already got Cash App, get the automated Cash App system. Only if you're willing to follow the steps that's inside. Because if you get it, you're gonna be mad, because if you don't do nothing with it and you just be waiting for commission to come in, but you didn't follow the steps, you're gonna be mad like, this is whack. But if you follow the steps inside this guide, you're going to be happy. You're gonna come back and be like, yo, that was legit, that was cool, blah blah blah. And that's what I want you to do, by the way. After you get this system, automated Cash App, come back below after you made your $27 commission, your first commission. Come back, guys, comment, let other people know what you're doing. This is super easy money. So comment below, give me some questions if you got them. I try to answer them as fastly as I can. As fastly, is that the word? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'm always bringing that real content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.